Hello everyone, I am Wesley Chen, the Business Development Manager from iConnectivity Group. Today, I will introduce you to our latest product range, the ProView series Ethernet switch. Under the concept of IoT, we have begun looking for one smart, strong, simple product to become the center controlling conjunction for connectivity. Now, there is ultimate solution to make changes in this market. This switch will able to converge SCADA and NMS for automation and IT networking field. To start, we will look at the potential market opportunity for industrial Ethernet switch over the next 3 years. As the IHS report shows, the market will grow from 2 million units in 2014 to 2.6 million in 2017. Meanwhile, the amount of income will rise to $1,451 million compared to amount of the 2014. It will be grow over 400 million. Therefore, we can see the scale of factory networking business is highly expanded in this industrial field. When clients are looking for a suitable switch for their infrastructure, they will face a dilemma between the management switch and unmanagement switch. There are many decisions to be made when choosing the right switch, like budget limits, lack of engineers' networking knowledge, electromagnetic and cable noise. And the high cost of the maintenance are just a few. Those problems make us to think differently. Why do not we have one brand new type of switch to fulfill all the demands for customers? Now, the ultimate solution is coming out. ProView Ethernet switch, which is our star product in industrial market. ProView switch is able to compatible with first one tier management software in market. You can see it has ability to support SUSE Access, HP OpenView on MS, also support web access, iFix, and Wonderware for the major SCADA software. This powerful ability is key to make ProView switch can converge SCADA and NMS for both IT engineers and automation engineers by using Modbus TCP and SNMP. Let's use a simple topology to explain the position of ProView switch. This is a normal factory scenario. We can see the management switch create a ring and connect with IPC by SCADA software. Our management switch play a central role in the transmitting data from HMI or SCADA server to the PLC, AIO, DIO controller, those devices. In this typology, our management switch is not able to be seen, responded to, or controlled in real time. However, when a ProView switch replaces our management switch, we will see that not only management switch can be controlled. Now, ProView switch help to transparently transmit data between the PLC and SCADA server. With this help of ProView switch, engineers are able to monitor most of the devices by SCADA and NMS. This is exactly what we mentioned, converge of SCADA and NMS. What is the position of ProView switch? From the right circle, we can see the benefit of management switch. It includes X-ring, VLAN, and the ability of centralized management, etc. Meanwhile, our management switch has its own advantage like quick and easy installation, cost-effective, etc. Why do not we extract those advantages from both types of switch to provide better solution? In fact, ProView switch is exactly created by this concept. In the middle, ProView switch extract those benefits from both sides. For example, plug and play, easy installation, supporting SCADA MS with cost-effective price. Even more, we add loop detection, power saving function on ProView switch. Combine all the points of ProView switch, we made it as detectable, manageable, visionable switch in industrial communication market. For the ProView series of Ethernet switch, we target control automation application. Switches are widely used in automation field. For example, we can see that from the motor control, measuring, packing to vision inspection, all of them can use the ProView switch to transmit the data from the IPC by SCADA, and the IT engineer or control engineer will able to control and monitor the edge devices in the field. Here is an overview of ProView switch. We will have 5 and 16 pole ProView switch with fast Ethernet and gigabyte speed. There's a pole 12 to 48 volts DC input with power saving function and have EMS level 3 and IP30 certification to provide robust protection. The biggest selling feature of ProView is the ability to integrate it with SCADA and NAS. So far, no other manufacturer has one on the market. Let's talk about the key selling feature of ProView switch. For power side, we have kept dual power input for critical industrial situations and have also specially designed a wide power range input of for 8.4 volts DC to 52.8 volt DC unstable power conditions. For mechanical design, we designed the switch to have IT30 certification for dust protection and have also designed it to work in temperature from minimum 10 to plus 60 degrees and have made the unit shock and vibration resistant. The major functions we designed the switch to use IEEE 802.3az for energy saving, where it can reduce power consumption by up to 60%. There is also self-diagnostic function to prevent cabling loop, and the VIP pole is another benefit for critical situation. Due to the Pacific poles getting higher priority and bandwidth for data transmission, making it ideal for video surveillance. Last, the gigabit mode also supports jumbo frames which can precisely process video packets. For mechanical design, we designed the switch to have IP30 certification for dust protection and have also designed it to work in temperature from minus 10 to plus 60 degrees and have made the units shock and vibration resistant. Here, one of the key features is pole-based quality of service. A ProView switch has pole 1 and 2 predefined as VIP poles. The VIP poles have a higher priority than other Ethernet poles for forwarding packets. For example, the traffic query priority for the VIP pole is 1.5 times faster than non-VIP pole. Therefore, using predefined VIP poles can help IT staff managing which type of application have more priority. As we mentioned before, the ProView switch has a small self-diagnostic function to send an alert when a broadcast storm occurs during installation. Easy troubleshooting helps engineers solve the storm in the easiest way. Energy-efficient Ethernet standards are designed to automatically power down poles when there is no link communication or a low data flow, therefore saving 60% of power. Even if all poles are active, the ProView switch will be able to save 36% of power when working at full capacity. For the ProView series, we will not only have thin rail and wall mount kit. There is also the option to mount it flat to adapt it to available space. This is ProView series portfolio. By the end of 2014, we will have released many ProView switch SKUs including 5, 8, 16, 24 ports, and even a rack mount mode in both Fast Ethernet and Gigabit speeds. All the models were able to support wide temperature in order to allow them to work in harsh environment. The IEEE A02.3AZ standard will also be included as one of the important features. We are proud to say that Advantech's ProView series of Ethernet switch are the world's first convergence switch for process control and IT networking management. To sum up, the ProView range is the first of its type in the networking market. They can be accessed using SCADA and NANs for IT engineers and control engineers, and only need one click to enable them to work. Smart features such as the power saving, self-diagnostic, and quality of service functions will help engineers easily and efficiently monitor the switch. We would like to provide a one-stop shopping concept for selling the ProView range. This way, ProView will be one of the key roles in the total solution to fulfill the demands of each client. Here, I'm proud to say ProView switch is the number one and the only one in the market. We have taken the lead position with ProView switch, and we will also keep taking leads in industrial communication field.